Office of the Vice President.
Madam Chair.
The Chair recognizes Senior Deputy Majority Leader Sandro
Yes,
Marcos.
in line with the long-standing tradition of giving the Office of the Vice President parliamentary courtesy, I move to terminate the budget of the Office of the
Object.
Vice President.
I object,
We have
Madam
a motion
Chair.
duly seconded. We have a motion duly seconded for the termination of the budget of the presentation of the
We
Office of the Vice
object,
President.
Madam Chair.
We have
we
a
object.
motion for the objection. The Chair now calls for the division of the House. Those who are in favor for the motion to terminate the discussion for the Office of the Vice President, please raise your hands. Secretariat is requested to please count the votes. We have 21 members of the Committee on Appropriations manifesting for the approval of the motion. The Chair declares for the motion to terminate the presentation of the budget approved.
Madam Chair, may we have a manifestation?
Let us
May I
proceed.
have a manifestation,
This Chair,
Madam Chair?
would like to turn over to Senior Vice Chair Estela Quinto.
Madam Chair, may I manifest, Madam Chair?
Madam Chair, we have already suspended, terminated the presentation and the
Point of order, Madam Chair. May I explain my vote? Why I would like I do not like that the budget hearing of the Office of the Vice President be terminated. I know we have the rights as a minority bloc, Madam Chair. So may we explain why we vote no?
with all due respect, this representation would like to request Honorable Castro to just please submit the manifestation to the
I
Committee
object,
on
Madam Chair.
Appropriations.
So,
And the
can I
budget
have the floor,
presentation
Madam
has already
Chair?
been terminated. So we would like to
So, Madam
request
Chair, hindi
Her
natin
Honor
ito
to submit the
inaasahan.
presentation.
Madam Chair, yung ganitong
And once again,
proceedings.
this budget briefing is
At meron
suspended.
po tayong meron po tayong issue na dapat na pakinggan ng ating taong bayan at masagot ng Office of the Vice President. So, Madam Chair, kaya talagang kailangan maipaliwanag itong 125 million. At sinabi naman sa statement ni Vice President Duterte na mag-explain. So,